Hello everyone! Today I have an infographic ready for your feedback, so let me explain why I chose the layout and colors that I did. To begin, I used a Novio template to create this infographic. The first thing I did was choose a color schematic. I chose a darker green, blue background for my primary color. As a bacterial infection and a dangerous one, statistics about E. coli should be represented in colors that weren't being taken seriously. I used darker type colors with bright background accents so that attention would be brought to the infographic, but that it was still taken seriously. The title is centered in white, which stands out from the dark background with contrast. My first point is how many pathogenic infections of E. coli there are each year. This is a very large number, as you can see, 265,000. And a great attention grabber for this reason. When people realize the severity of the impact, they will continue reading the infographic. This demonstrates hierarchy of information. My next two graphs are side by side and demonstrate proximity. They are both next to their respective sides of the infographic. I used a bright blue color to color the horizontal lines that separate the sections of information. And this kind of demonstrates proximity between the groups and also helps the infographic flow smoothly and clearly divide the information to prevent boredom. The pictogram background matches the accent color used in the other graphs, as you can see. The font was pre-applied with the template, but is sans serif and modern enough to look interesting and readable, but yet still professional enough to be taken seriously. And my final graph, as you can see here, is a bar chart with the typical colors and the same font that titles every other graph, which kind of helps the whole infographic flow. So thank you for considering my design for this infographic, and should you have any questions about other design choices, please reach out to me. Thank you very much for your time.